RADO, for those that didn't know. And I'm gonna do a video about praying. And I think that video kind of slides into, or praying, I feel like praying slides into meditation. I feel like praying and meditation is kind of like buddies, hand to hand, you know what I'm saying? So either way, let me jump into it. And I don't know how long this bad boy gonna be. And disclaimer, no two dogs have the same luck. No two cats have the same luck, right? Like something might work for somebody in a specific way, but it might not work for you in that specific way. So your job is, or duty is, to see and tweak it to fit you. You know what I mean? So as far as praying goes, to me, praying is not even, for me personally, it's not asking. It's not asking like you don't deserve it. You get what I mean? It's not asking like, it's not asking. It's not a command. It's not a demand. It might be a command, but it's not a demand. Like, I'm not demanding God to give me nothing. Like, I'm not looking at God like, yo, listen, listen, you better break me off what you owe me. You know what I'm saying? It ain't like that. But it's also not going like I don't deserve it. Like, hey, can I please get this, or can I not? It's like, yo, what up, big homie? You know what time it is? You know what I'm saying? You know, like, I ain't here for no funny business. Like, I ain't come on earth for no funny business. So, you know, this is what I really would desire. My heart, it's in my heart. You know my heart, and it's in my heart. I'm not asking for nothing to really hurt nobody. I'm asking for stuff to help make me or maintain my happiness. You know what I'm saying? So my prayer is not really like, hey, all praises be upon to God. Please, can I get, no, it's like I'm having a conversation with the creator, my creator. So I could go sit down and chop it up. That's like pops, right? Or moms, right? Or whatever, right? What up? Yeah. You know, I'm just out here on earth making it happen. Could use a little help. I know you know this, but you know, it's in me as a human to say this. I know you're God, and you know what I need more than I know. But as a human, it's in me to say, yeah, can I get that? You know what I'm saying? But I feel like the praying slides into meditation, because people feel like meditation is, granted it is, because I just did it. That silence, I really just blanked myself. It is that 2 seconds, whatever, you feel great, right? You can blank your mind and meditate, but you can't. It's kind of, your mind goes blank when you figured out how to meditate. Like, it's kind of weird. So it's like, don't look at meditation as